Welcome back. Today I want us to discuss about front end and we are going to use the React Native as a framework, and also we are going to do something else called background noise elimination so that the video can be clean. Now we are actually focusing on the front end development using the framework, and this could be the best. So what we'll do, we can come here, React Native, and then we go here,